Karbi Anglong alongle aphai laki 10,434 square kilometer mate suri kepra pharo plira thom kepra pli square kilometer do bangso alongle laki inter district ahoy lapen interstate ahoy sitami interstate ahoy langdam pulute Nagaland lapen Meghalaya ahoy henlo Meghalaya ahoy ke dai laki West Karbi Anglong ahoy just met block 1 pen block 2 bangke Meghalaya hin pen nang kachirai ji apansi pinang an kabor I pondolo bangso api Assam Meghalaya state hiniang bong ahoy chipakeng along lethot sitami block 1 lapen block 2 along lia bangke give and take policy along si Meghalaya phan chojor dun det pusi penang an ham phanga song pen danglok ratcharia so atum pen ningje ponring tilo Bonda bangso putha ke CEM Ronghang pen kedam tang chiti ni phai phawar ni kaningje pona bangke block 1 pen block 2 along le Meghalaya phan chojor dun det puke ratcharia so atum amithanga rong alia phansi kaningje chot pusi pherang kya theino ningje pon alang li kaningje alam the arjusina
Ola kar bima hodai bello lagi ahok lo lagi laso meeting hoke ni leader kali laso meeting hoke laso CM taro do lapen keten sing tida do lapen chief minister ado ni ditolo karbi hola silong karbi bon kang pu hosi hola so sinil tumoko dak Meghalaya secretary long damsi nang thanda lo ame butte ta na peklang lo lagi this is karbi lo lagi karbi long lokon lo lapen ke dake notified boundary jado natural boundary jado asi lapan ke lokon blok tu isu ki thakta bese hola posorta la political issue na
political issue choti sir
political issue thakta apone tum ke lage block 1 block 2 ki agency ta pe tolong le lai no
CEM Ronghang kaningje pona tengke block 1 pen block 2 along li aputha ka bangke Meghalaya CM Conrad ke sangma sitami klardak than pamil laki Karbi Anglong aphansi pivet lopu alam ke lasi block 1 pen block 2 along le Meghalaya aphan chojor det puke ratcharia le kichu en aphan chot puta CEM Ronghang pen ningje pon thu
dake notified boundary jado natural boundary jado asi la bangke block 1 block 2 isu ki thakta bese hola posorta la political issue na
political issue choti sir
political issue thakta apone tum ke lage block 1 block 2 ki agency ta pe tolong le lai no dake notified boundary jado natural boundary jado asi la bangke block 1 block 2 isu ki thakta bese hola posorta la political issue na
political issue choti sir
political issue thakta apone tum ke lage block 1 block 2 ki agency ta pe tolong le lai no
ahok kidamtang porahut Meghalaya long kangtang kring chief minister Conrad ke sangma hin pen sitami Assam pen Meghalaya long le kachitha ka hutsi block 1 pen block 2 abang ke Karbi Anglong aphansi alu pen document kadu kawi choklim pensi pekpet lo lapen natural ahoy sitami do lapen kipang thekpon ahoy sitami do pusi Meghalaya CM sangma pen sitami ke CEM Ronghang ke thandak son thotsi pherang ke theino kaningje pon son thotsi ningje pon lo
Block 1 and Block 2 were officially handed over in paper, in documentation to Karbi Anglong by the then district councils and by then governments at that point in time. So Block 1 and Block 2 area in full toto, in terms of all the area defined, was technically handed over to Karbi Anglong. So there's a difference between Block 1, Block 2 and difference between Langpi and Kanduli. Because as I said, in Langpi and Kanduli, it is a question of the geographical definition that we are talking about. But in case of Block 1 and Block 2, from Meghalaya, we had handed over Block 1, Block 2 to Karbi Anglong, saying that this is yours. So this is what the issue is. I mean, not that this is yours, but there was transfer basically in paper. So today the documentation has that.
News report KTV